Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a tiny yet mighty seed that has been the talk of the town lately. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. From boosting energy levels to aiding weight loss, chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutritional benefits. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the benefits of chia seeds. Let's start with the most common benefit. Weight loss. Chia seeds are known to be an excellent source of fiber. They can absorb water and form a gel-like substance, which may help you feel full and reduce your food intake, making it an effective weight loss aid. The high fiber content of chia seeds also helps in regulating blood sugar levels, reducing insulin resistance, and decreasing inflammation. Another significant benefit of chia seeds is their incredibly high omega-3 fatty acid content. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for our bodies and have several health benefits, including improved heart health, brain function, and joint health. Chia seeds have more omega-3s than salmon and provide a plant-based alternative to fish. Moreover, chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help to protect our bodies from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants also help to reduce inflammation, which is linked to several chronic diseases such as arthritis and heart disease. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential minerals for strong bones and teeth. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can help prevent osteoporosis and improve overall bone health. Chia seeds are also beneficial for athletes and active individuals due to their high protein content. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, which our bodies cannot produce on their own. This makes them a complete protein source, making them an ideal food for vegetarians and vegans. Additionally, chia seeds help to replenish glycogen stores in muscles, making them a perfect post-workout snack. Lastly, chia seeds are great for digestion. Their high fiber content helps to regulate bowel movement, preventing constipation. The gelatinous substance formed by chia seeds can also help to clean the digestive tract, improving gut health. Chia seeds can be incorporated into a variety of recipes, such as smoothies, oatmeal, salads, baked goods, yogurt, granola bars, energy bites, and even desserts. They can also be used to thicken sauces or soups, added to breakfast cereals, and sprinkled over cereals, applesauce, and other dishes. However, chia seeds also have some side effects to consider. If consumed in excess, chia seeds can cause bloating, gas, and constipation due to their high fiber content. Also, some people may have an allergic reaction to chia seeds, which could lead to symptoms such as skin rashes, breathing difficulties, and throat swelling. It is important to note that if you have any health conditions, consult your doctor before adding chia seeds to your diet. In conclusion, chia seeds are tiny yet mighty superfood that can provide a wide range of health benefits. From weight loss to improved heart health and digestion, these seeds pack a powerful punch of nutrients. So, add chia seeds to your diet to enjoy these benefits and live a healthier life. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more informative videos.